In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music on the Inshot app. So Inshot is a free editor that you can use on your mobile device to edit videos, photos, and do more. But what if you want to add music to your video? Well, it's actually pretty simple. So you want to select the video that you want to do this for. I'm going to go with that one right there. And then you have this toolbar, right? So you can see trim, filters, and then right there at the fourth position you'll see music. So click on music right there, and then you have tracks, effects, and you can record. So you can also record live music, but I don't recommend doing that. I recommend clicking on tracks right there, and then you can choose between all of these. So all of these are featured. So these are tracks that you can just use, right? So click right there, you get all of these tracks. But what if you actually want to add your own music? Then you want to click on My Music, and it's then going to take a look at the music that you have on your phone. So these are songs that I have on my phone. I can then add these to my video. So if I just click on one of them, I'm going to turn down my volume. Okay, there you go. Click on the song. You can then click on Use, and then right there in this edit bar you'll see the song, right? This is the song. What if you want to edit that as well? You can click on split, for example, and you can then use that, or you can go back to music, click on the music bar, you can click on duplicate, you can click on edit. So if you want to use this song only from like the 2-minute part, you can then go to 2 minutes, save it, and there you go. So that's pretty much how you can do this, okay? So if that makes sense, please leave a like. If it didn't, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to fix it with you. But that's pretty much how you can add music to your videos on Inshot. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.